Hello everyone, welcome back to Oma's Sport. Today I share with you how to make chicken beef pies. Alright guys, let's get started. So guys, we'll be starting off with our chicken. Yes, we are using grilled chicken here. So if you want your chicken soft, you don't need to grill them, okay? This one is actually on request, alright? So if you're starting off with a raw chicken, all you need to do is wash them, transfer in your pot, season with your favorite seasonings, okay? And cook until it is done. Yeah, when it's soft, you know it is done, okay? But if you want to go this way, all you need to do is season your protein. Yes, allow it to marinate for some minutes, transfer in your oven and grill, okay? And there you have a well-grilled chicken. So guys, we are done deboning, so we'll go ahead and blend, okay? We're going to blend them roughly. Yes. Okay. Transfer in your blender and blend. Yes, I'm going to be using the button, chop button, yeah. And after blending, look at what we have here. You don't blend it smoothly, okay? You can even chop it like big chunks, like if you want to have a bite of it in your pie, okay? So guys, moving on to the next one. These are the remaining ingredients. Let me introduce them to you. Here is our diced onions, our minced beef. Here is our spring onions chopped already, okay? Our ingredients are already prepared. Here is our chopped carrots. Look at how they're looking so nice. Yes. And the next one is our chopped potatoes. Yes. All chopped, guys. You see that all our ingredients are ready. So guys, let's move on to the next one. All right. So guys, in a clean pan, add in some oil. Yes, drizzle in some oil. Now go in with your minced beef. All right. We are going to fry it until it changes color, like brown color, something like that. Yes. So go on and fry and keep stirring so that you don't get burnt, okay? All right. We are checking and we are still frying. Look at how it's looking. This is just what we are looking for. Once it turns this way or this color, go on and add in your diced onions, okay? Add in some thyme and stir everything together. Now we are going in with some salt. Stir, okay? Now introduce your roughly blended chicken, yes. Even if you're using a raw, like well-cooked chicken, not grilled one, you still have to blend it, okay? Now pour that in and stir to well combine, okay? Okay, after a minute, go on and add in your chopped carrots, followed by your chopped potatoes, okay? All right, afterwards you stir, okay? Now we are adding our seasoning. Okay, add in some salt, a little bit of salt, and go in with some curry powder and stir, all right? Allow to fry for a minute or two and then introduce water, okay? It should be on the same level, okay? All right. Just like this, guys. So we're going to allow it to cook, okay? Until our potato and our carrot is a bit soft, all right? Now go on and add in your pepper, yeah. If you want it more spicy, go on and add in more chilies, okay? All right. Let's test for salt. Guys, it is perfect, yeah. Remember, our chicken is tasty, so you don't oversalt it, okay? If you noticed, we've added our spring onions. Once you've added that, go on and stir it, okay? Yes, and allow it to simmer for just a minute. Yes. And there you have it. Our filling is ready. It's set. Now, transfer in a bowl or another pan or pot. Yes, we're going to allow it to cool down a bit. If this is your first time meeting my video, you are welcome. My name is Ijoma. You can call me IJ or Oma for short. please do well to be part of the family. Yes, and you can only do that by subscribing. Okay, just hit the subscription button, turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I post new video. So guys, let's continue. In a bowl, add in 5 cups of flour. Yes, we're making use of 5 cups of flour. Add in a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking powder and mix. Yes, mix to evenly distribute. Okay. Now, crack in 2 eggs. Yes, we're making use of 2 large eggs. Now, introduce your butter. Yes, you're making use of 250-gram butter. All right. Afterwards, you start mixing, okay? It is advisable you use your hand, okay? But if you have mixer, why not? Yes. All right, guys. So, let's start mixing. Shout out to my newest subscribers. Guys, I really appreciate each and every one of you. And to my returning subscribers, oh my God. You guys are amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for all your support. I love you all. So guys, let's continue. If you noticed, we added some liquid milk and we are adding now. Yes, just know that we are making use of 1 cup of milk in total. Yes, all you need to do is to continue to apply them. Yes, bit by bit until you get the consistency you were looking for. It should look this way, guys. It shouldn't be watery, yeah? So guys, moving on to the next one. Flour your work surface just like you're watching me do and transfer your pastry dough. Yes. So guys, let's knead a bit. Yes. Okay. We want it smooth. So knead it for, let's say, 5 minutes. Okay. All right. Now divide the dough. I'm going to be dividing into 4. Okay. All right. Okay. Now get one of the dough. Sprinkle in some flour. Okay. And then begin to roll it out. Yes, flatten it just like you're watching me do. All right. Remember, we are making chicken beef pie. Yes, so you need this pie dish. Yes, or your shaper. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So once you flatten your dough, all you need to do is to get your pie dish and start dividing just like this, guys. Okay. We have 2 sides, the big size and the one next to it. So we're going to cut out our pie, yes, with the big one, yes. But when it's time to fill in, we're going to make use of the next size. I don't know if you get it. Yes. In that way, you don't have to mess things up, okay? All right. So this is time to fill in our pie, okay? All right, this is what I'm talking about. We're making use of the next size. Yes, we didn't use the same pie dish. All right. So you use the big one to cut out the shape. Yes, and then the next size you use it to shape your pie. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. But the thing is, if you have any question, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section and I promise I will answer. All right. Now, we are shaping our pie just like you're watching. Yes. So go on and place your shaped batter. Yes. And then scoop in your filling and close it just this way, guys. So easy. But if you do not have this dish pie, you can as well use any round shape object. Yes. It could be your plate or bowl. Yes. And then for the sealing, you can use fork, yes, to seal it up. For better understanding, look out for my previous video on how to make meat pie. There, I also showed how to shape your pies without dish pie, yes. So go on and check it out, okay? So guys, we are done brushing in our egg yolks on them and they are looking so good. Now guys, pop them into your oven, okay? And bake for 45 minutes, okay? Or you continuously watch when it turns golden brown, just like this, guys. At this point, it is set straight out of the oven. Yes, and this is me testing it, guys. It tastes so good. Please give it a shot, okay? Do check out other related videos showing on the top corners, alright? And please do not forget to hit the profile icon to subscribe. Thank you.